You ain't gonna see much, guys, but honestly it's totally roached. I'm standing in between what used to be the floor's going across from one side to the other, and like I say, it's roached, it is night, so you can't really see much, guys. It's pointless me coming filming. I may have to come and film next week, yeah, because it is a bit roached this. You ain't gonna see much. I'm gonna try and go in the building down there, then get off quick before the old 5-0 come. It's a bit too dark, guys, you're not going to see much. There, guys, is the other two buildings, what's left of it. There's a tower, the chimney. It's a bit dark, guys, because as I say, I'm filming at night here, and it's eerie on your own, it really is. I'm trying to quickly get inside that building there, so I'll see you when I get in there, guys, okay? Peace. Get this, guys. Yes, old electronics though. It is rather spooky in the dark. I can't see where I'm going. Because this torch isn't very bright, to be fair. But we're inside the beehive mill, and to be fair, it's pretty much worth, you know, not worth filming at night because you can't see much. I don't want to get gripped, but I'm trying to show you a couple of things that I got earlier. This is now off the machine. Man, how mad is that though? Can't really see much. I did come, like I said earlier on with Charlie. Sorry for the finger in the way, guys, but I'm using a tiny little phone here. Go and try and swap to the other one in a minute. Look at this, this is what I wanted to show you. I did take a picture of this earlier on. This old motor here. Why is it it's my phone that always glitches? Can't wait, guys, to get my phone back. Proper wait now. Noise is going on in here, guys. There's a train going past in the background. I swear there's somebody over there. Go and check it out. Hearing these weird noises coming from the back of the room here. I saw this room before. Must be where Charlie buggered off to. These old machines, guys. Old valves. Look at this. Wow. Don't want to be going up them stairs. Big hole in wall. Don't want to really be showing this too much. But I need to be getting out of here, guys. Down there's the old lift shaft and cage. Not that you're going to see it, guys. Yeah. This is like well spooky at night. Where this goes. I don't think we did this bit. Oh yeah, we did. We came here. It goes underground and you can't see much further either. So I think, guys, the best thing to do is just get out of here now. Take a couple of pictures and get out, guys, while I can, because that's like on the side of it there, guys. Bit proper spooky in here at night. Sorry, guys, you can't see much, but we have got all these slates here. Loads of them. Oh, the old box. This pipe we're going through. So like I said, guys, I'm going to get out of here now. You've got loads of crates up there with slates in them. So I guess they're going to be repurposing them, which is good. But I do need to get out of this building, guys. Alright, I'm sorry it's dark. I did try earlier on, but wasn't much up. If you do want to check out the daytime video of what it's like, go to Ghost Spirit Beehive Mill, and you'll see I've done a couple on this beehive mill, but think this is definitely going to have to be the last one until I get my phone back. I'll come back in a couple of weeks and then that'll definitely be the last one, because I need to get out of here now, guys. I'm going to try and take a couple of pictures. There's a train going past in the background over there. Got to be careful when going over there, guys. I really have. Oh, you're not going to see much like this, guys, so I'm going to try and turn the torch on so it's bright setting. See if that's any better for you guys. Shit. Nah, you can't see, guys. Put that there. It's the old hatch to the left, bay 5. I don't know what bay that is, because it's been ripped off the side. Look, the old button still on the wall there, guys. Another one there, so bay 7. I'm guessing that's bay 6 then, and that's bay 5. But as I say, I did come here with Charlie earlier on, so don't forget to like and share, subscribe his channel, Abandoned Explorations. Bay 20 up there, guys. I'm going to try and